What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. I'm going to be making a little bit of lunch today. Just a quick, short, simple one, but it's a good one, I promise. Stick around. So first thing we got to do is brine our chicken with some pickle juice. We're going to let it sit in there for about 2 hours, covered up in the fridge. So I'm going to put the lid on this and pop it in the fridge, and we'll see you in a few hours. Okay, so we're getting ready to pull the chicken out of the fridge. We're going to go ahead and make our dredge and our wash that we're going to be dipping the chicken in. So for the wash, we're going to have 2 large eggs. A cup of buttermilk. And then just a little bit of hot sauce. I'm using some Frank's Red Hot. And I guess you could put more than a tablespoon in there. It's just really up to your liking. And then we're going to mix this up. Got our wash made. Now it's going to be our dredge. I just got a little bit of flour here, and we're going to use some Meat Church Holy Voodoo. A pretty good amount of it in here, and just let it mix it up. Alrighty, we're ready to get the chicken out. Alright, so I got my grease warmed up. I'm going to take a piece of chicken. We're going to put it in the dredge. In the wash. And back through the dredge. And then in the grease. And we're going to repeat that process with all of these. Some of these pieces look done, so I'm going to go ahead and pull them out. I'm going to set them over here to dry and let that grease run off of them a little bit. So my chicken's done frying. We're going to take some of this oil and use it in our coating that we're going to be putting on the chicken. Okay, got half a cup of our grease. Go ahead and throw that in there. We'll just get a whisk and kind of whisk it all together. Alright, so it's time to build our sandwich. I got some toasted Hawaiian sweet roll little slider buns. Just going to put a little bit of mayonnaise on them. going to take our piece of chicken, set it on there. And now we take our spicy drizzle and just drizzle it all on there. And you can put as little or as much as you want on there. And then don't forget the pickles. And there we go. Well, with that being said, I guess there's only one other thing to do, and that's to eat. Y'all go over to MeatChurch.com and get this recipe. You won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching.